What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Billshowto. So today we're going to be testing out the Wagner 350M on some enamel trim. So what we're going to be using is some paint and prime in vivid white. Not too sure how this one's going to go, especially because we've got a 15-meter hose here and I haven't got that much paint. We've got here a 4-liter tin of paint. So this is the area that we're going to be painting inside this cupboard here. So I've pre-primed the whole area inside the cupboard and now we're going to spray it with some enamel paint and see how well it comes up. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so this time around we're testing the Wagner 350 on some trim. What we're going to be using instead is the 311 tip, which is designed for trim and low viscosity material, which is what we're using this time around. Also, we need to switch over our filter. So we've got our red filter for low viscosity, and what we need to do is basically undo this handle here and take out the filter. So an adjustable wrench, we'll undo it from the bottom. We can then spin off our gun and remove our old filter. So we've got here the white tip filter. This time around we'll switch it with the red. Put our handle back on, tighten that one there back on, and we're ready to go. So we'll open up our paint, drop the suction hose into it, and now we're going to prime the machine. So make sure that the switch goes down. We'll press the button a couple times, turn it on to 1 or 2. So once the unit's been primed, we can then switch it over to spray. Turn it on to number 2. We don't want to build up too much pressure and we're just going to squeeze the trigger into a bucket until the paint starts coming out. So you can see there's some water coming out. That's from when I previously cleaned it. We're just getting rid of that water and then we'll wait for the actual paint to start coming back out. So now it's all primed, ready to go. Our line's filled up with paint. We're going to switch on our nozzle and use the 311 tip. And now we're ready to start painting. So once this has all been sprayed up, guys, this is what it ends up looking like. We've got a perfect flawless finish all the way around. Have a look at the finish on that, like a mirror. Especially for a DIY product, it's really, really easy to use and it's got a really nice, smooth, consistent fan. And if we have a look at the cupboard, I'm gonna do the doors later, but it's like a mirror. Have a look at it. Perfect flawless finish, 100% coverage, very, very nice. Very impressed. So there we have it, guys. Using the Wagner 350M, we've got an awesome finish once again on the trim. Now we know it can do ceilings perfectly. It can do trim nice and easy. And remembering, guys, I don't spray that often at all. This is my first time, or now second time, using an airless sprayer. So if I can do it and it's geared for a DIY person, I'm sure you guys can do it as well. I need a little bit more practice in order to get everything perfect and work out all the little flaws that it may have or I might have in my preparation. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video, guys. Let's see what else this unit here can do. If you've got any suggestions, put them in the comment section below. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.